So I'm going to show you some quick, easy techniques to really feel like you're enough, to feel like you're worthy and like you're deserving of self-care. They're particularly good if you run a business or you do something in your life where you're giving a lot to other people and perhaps you're not filling up your own tank enough. So rather than give you sort of tips and advice, I'm actually going to give you some practical techniques today. So let's get started. Verse 1 is just a gentle thump on your thymus. So this instantly helps to reduce stress. So if you're ever feeling like things are getting on top of you, maybe you're feeling overwhelmed, just try doing this tapping, and it's all you need to do. And you can even tap around this whole heart chakra area. You can breathe as you do this. Breathing, of course, is one of the most effective techniques for helping your wellness, reducing stress, helping to boost your confidence and self-esteem. You can just tap the other direction as well, but such a good sort of what I call emergency go-to when you really need to feel more relaxed. So do that, a few more of those. Really focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale. The next thing you can do is an affirmation. Now, I talk a lot about affirmations, but they really are good and they sort of stop those negative thoughts in their tracks. So I'm just going to do a few and I want you to repeat, ideally out loud, but if not in your mind is fine, after me. I am enough. I am worthy. I deserve self-care. I am successful at all I do. I am relaxed. I am calm. I am healthy. I am happy. And the final thing you're going to do, and this is really good if you do ever feel really overwhelmed, is just shake and move your body. So I'm going to sort of stand up and show you guys this. Okay, so we're going to shake out our body. Really simple. We're going to shake our arms all the way up, all the way down, all the way out to the side. It really helps to get rid of any negative energies. And then you're going to do the same with your legs. So really just shaking out one leg, just getting that energy moving, and the other leg, shaking that. And then you can just sort of wiggle up and down. It feels quite silly, but it really helps to shift that energy. Shaking the arms, shaking the legs at the same time as you can, if you can. And then you can do a bit of tapping. So just tapping down one arm and up the other arm, and then the other side, gently tapping down and back up, tapping over that heart center, that thymus area, abdomen, and then just doing that all the way over your legs as well. So down the outside, gentle tapping, up the inside. Inhale, and then bring the arms down, out through the mouth. And again, reach up and you are all done. So really simple, really easy, it makes a massive difference. And just remember, you are worthy, you are enough, and you do deserve time for you to look after yourself. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.